In this video, I will show you how to use How to Hide Prices in WooCommerce. First, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage your entire WooCommerce store, including products, plugins, and settings. Now, go to the Plugins section from the left menu and click on Add New. This is where you can install new features for your store. In the search bar, type Price Guard. This is a plugin that allows you to hide product prices without needing any coding skills. Once it appears in the results, click on Install Now and then activate it. After activating the plugin, go back to your dashboard and open the plugins list again. Find Price Guard in the installed plugins list and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for an option like Enable Hide Product Prices. Turn this option on to activate the feature. Once enabled, your WooCommerce store will hide product prices from customers based on the conditions you set, such as login requirements or customer rules, depending on your configuration. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply everything. That's it. Your WooCommerce product prices are now hidden successfully. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel